The following is an update from General Manager of the Grenada Solid Waste Management Authority, Mr. Lyndon Robertson, regarding the ongoing fire at the Perseverance Landfill facility.
Well, the Grenada Solid Waste Authority had invested considerable amount of resources in the construction of a road right around the perimeter of the landfill and the installation of a network of pipes that would allow us to access any area of the burning landfill. That is, the burning approximately 11 acres of refuse. We started with the Grenada Fire Services. We are trying the fire suppressing foam. Our team is also using our own pumps and our pipe network in order to conduct wetting in tandem with the heavy equipment that would be uncovering areas where the fire is located and conducting that soaking in order to extinguish that fire. The final step would be the movement of soil materials that would allow for the covering of the landfill. We would have to identify a good source of that material because we would need to use clay material for that purpose. So we are aware that it is now 2 months since the fire has started, and we are also aware of the inconvenience to the public and the risk associated with aggravation of existing upper respiratory tract infections and also the health risks in case there is toxic contaminants contained within the fumes. So we are aware of all this and we are investing. It is a massive undertaking and the fire would take some time to be extinguished. But in the meantime, we are working and we would continue to try our level best in order to bring that fire under control. The issue with the foam is that it is more effective on flat surfaces and its ability to work would depend on the surface and how deep it could penetrate within the refuse that are on the site. The fire is continually fueled through a natural process, that is the degradation of the refuse and the organic material contained within the garbage. The degradation of that material produces heat and it produces methane gas along with a water fraction which we refer to as a leachate. So the gas is constantly being produced and that is what is fueling the fire. The gas is coming from underneath the putrefying refuse. So the control of that gas is an issue that we are unable to deal with right now because the landfill was not designed originally as a sanitary landfill. So there is no network of pipes for the collection and flaming of that gas. So as it stands, that gas is available to continuously fuel the fire. So the wetting and the use of the foam and when we start using the soil would be measures that would be able to control the fire based on preventing access to the oxygen which is required for the fire to continue and also to allow that fire to be extinguished within time. And once we could wet to the inner reaches where that fire resides within the burning landfill.
That was Mr. Lyndon Robertson, General Manager of the Grenada Solid Waste Management Authority, regarding the ongoing fire at the Perseverance Landfill facility.